So this is a live stream 65. And unfortunately we have prices heading down here. Ideally I would want it to have quoted up at 200. A bit late to the charts here. So it's about 100 points or so from yesterday's highs. We've got level down at 55. If we have a look here at the hourly chart, levels just down there. The hourly chart, we've got the 50 period sitting around 38. So why did I take a short here? Took a short pretty much due to on Monday we pretty much was in the sell zone for most of the day on the VIX. Stayed most of the day until late in the afternoon around lunchtime in the sell zone again on the VIX. And I think, but price had a bit of a divergence. Price was heading up despite VIX pointing to a downward move. And what I'm thinking is the more sophisticated market players was positioning themselves for a move to the downside here today. Hence the reason we had low volatility. Currently we're in the sell zone again, so do you think we could pull in here? It somewhat goes against the trend. Pull into 18,000 or so. Not sure. We've got big news on the calendar. We've got PPI. Is that right? No, we don't. We actually have I've got that wrong. I think it's next week. Okay, so we've got the 10-year note auction, and we've got Fed Collins speaking, but we've got the accrued oil inventories. Interesting. Interesting. Thought today was a PPI. But I've got that wrong. So I think that's next week. So we've had this bit of a run up, had this somewhat bit of a doji here on the daily chart. Had this run up over the past couple of over the days since the FOMC. Had a bit of a doji here on the daily chart. Of course, we could still have a push to the upside. So, but I've decided to take a short. The market open was around 190. I'm short at around 70. We'll see how this plays out. I can't be here due to scheduling commitments. I know in the past when I've done this, especially last week, it's resulted in me losing quite a bit. I think like 400 odd points. But see the higher days around 216. Lost like 400 odd points. Got a bit of a light of a day in the calendar. We'll see if we pull in here. Again, probably been better off shorting around the 200s. Around this 196.75 level. Would have been a better short, but we'll see. We'll come back. There aren't any major news on the calendar, so hopefully there's another 250 point losing day. But we'll see. So we'll have to end the stream for now due to other scheduling commitments, and we'll come back at the market open. Market open about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So several hours from now. So about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be coming back to see where this position is. And yep, that will just end it for this broadcast. So we've just taken a short based on what we saw building since Monday. Definitely should have looked at taking the short. I suppose we've got the 144.75 down here. But I've really got to go, so I'm just going to end the broadcast here.